Mom always rides her bike to make sure she gets fresh ingredients from the market for us. Thanks to the vegetables and olive oil, this is the best dish for you. If you care about your health or simply want to enjoy a fast and savory recipe. Do you know the Mediterranean diet? Today's dish is a perfect example.
Ciao a tutti! Today I want to cook with you very simple pasta, but if you have fresh green vegetable, very good extra virgin oil, and the pasta with the shape that you like, this simple pasta with the vegetable to become very yummy.
It is important to follow this recipe carefully because despite its simplicity, it requires some special steps. And the first one is rinsing the vegetables multiple times to make sure there is no dirt left. Fill a pan with plenty of water and turn on the stove burner. When the water boils, add salt. Wait until the water boils again. Now you add the vegetables. It is really important that you only pour vegetables now. Wait until the water boils again and we are ready to add our favorite pasta. While the pasta cooks, we will saute garlic in olive oil. How many times have you tried to peel off the skin from a garlic clove and had difficulty? The solution is simple. You need to squish the clove with your hand or under a knife. By doing this, a substance will squish out and help you peel off the skin. Cut the clove in half and take out its germ. The germ is the most indigestible part. To make the garlic easier to digest and prevent smell, boil it in water for a minute. The garlic won't lose taste, and your guest's stomach and your own won't have any problem, and your breath won't smell. No fear of kissing another person. Now back to the recipe. Put in a pan some olive oil and a few garlic cloves already cut and peeled. Now let's saute.
I take out the garlic when it's a little brown because I want to give my pasta a little tasting of garlic, not so strong.
After removing the garlic, we can add some chili pepper. We like this dish a bit hot.
3 minutes first that the pasta to become ready. It's time for putting the pasta inside the oil.
Use a skimmer to put the pasta and the vegetables in the hot oil. Keep high fire and add a little bit of water when it evaporates.
I just test the pasta for looking if it's good in salt and in cooking. I think that I finish all. I don't put in pasta in the dish. It's so good. It's not so dry. Mamma mia.
Believe it or not, this simple recipe is so good. I love it. If you wish, you can add toasted breadcrumbs. With their crunchiness, this dish will be just perfect. Are you planning to try this recipe? Let us know in the comments below. Don't miss the next videos. Subscribe and smash the bell button to receive notifications.